Hi everybody, it's Miss Betsy again from the Ann Arbor Public Library, and I'm here to promote our new February book bundles that will include Valentine-themed books and other fun stories. Our picture book bundles will include 2 coloring sheets and one of 3 different aliens, our beginner and easy reader book bundles will include 2 coloring sheets and a dot-to-dot, and this adorable bear doorknob hanger. Our juvenile book bundles will include 3 coloring sheets and a dot-to-dot, and this really cute, easy to do DIY bookmark. As an added bonus for this month's book bundles, we are including supplies for a bird feeder so that we can show our bird friends some love. Remember, book bundles are available by calling ahead, coming in for an appointment, or curbside service.